Hello guys, you're welcome to Timayo Tutorials. Alright, so a quick one. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can download your Instagram Reels. You can download any video or Reels. Maybe you found somehow interesting and you'd want to have it on your phone. Yeah, I'll be teaching you how you can get it directly from your Instagram to your phone easily. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to locate your Instagram. Alright, so you locate your Instagram. Okay, I'm logged in. Sorry. Alright, I'm logged in, and here we have series of. Now let me make use of this video. Alright, so now this is a video. Alright, someone is just displaying something here, so I want to download this video to my phone. What do I do? Now if you look at this video, we have three dots at top here. Now once you click on these three dots, you have different options that shows. Now we having two different ways we can get this kind of video. All right, I'm going to do the first way and I'm going to do the second way. So the first way is what I'm showing you right now. So clicking on the three dots, then you get this option. So once you've gotten this option, you see this part that says we are moving things around, see where to share, and the link. So you click on that, so it gives you this page. All right, on this page, right down at the bottom, you would see the copy link icon with the text beneath it. So just click on that copy link. So once you've gotten the link, you can go and download. But before we go to download, let's check the second way. All right, I think once I click on it, I'm going to be having different sounds coming. All right, so what I need to do is, instead of me clicking on the three dots at the top here, I would click on the video itself. Well, you would be listening to some sound from the video, I think. So just let me click on it. So this is the video. I don't know if it's actually. So I just believe you can still hear me. Alright, so now what we are going to do to get this video, the second way of getting the video's link is clicking on this share icon. This that looks like an airplane icon right here. I'm pointing at it right now. Click on it. So once you click on it, it takes you directly to this page where you can copy the link. So what you just do is just click on the copy link that is down below here. So those are the two ways you can get it. So if you try the first method and you are not getting the link, try the second method, you definitely get the link. So now what we need to do is, now we move on to our Chrome browser. We want to download the video. Now we've gotten the link, so it is now left for us to download the video. So now my Chrome browser is opened. Clicking here, I would search for Instagram video downloader. Alright, so I have it here. Right, we have a series of options Google will give you, but I'll be going for the first option I have here, which is savefrom.net. So I click on that. So when you want to make use of this website, just know that it has a direct link advert. So in case you click on somewhere and it takes you to another page, just find your route back to where you've been before. All right, so now you can see where the text says enter the URL. The URL is the link we copied already from Instagram. So what we do here is long press. That means you just place your finger for about some seconds or some minutes on that enter the URL. So you get this pop-up that says paste. We want to paste the link we already copied directly from Instagram. So what you do is click on paste. Now then you can see that it is processing the link to download down here. Alright, so now it has processed it, and what you do next to get the video is to click on this button down here that says download MP4. Alright, so the MP4 is a video format. Alright, it's a video format. So what you just need to do is click on that button, download. Alright, so it has redirected me to somewhere else. I need to find my way back, and then I click on. Alright, so now it is downloading. Alright, so it has downloaded. So let me try opening it. Alright, you can see that this is exactly what we saw on Instagram, copied the link, and now we have the video on our phone. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And please also don't forget to subscribe. Right, so subscribing to my YouTube channel encourages me to drop more tutorials for you. Okay, so I want you to also drop in the comment section what you want me to teach, what you want me to make video on, and I will definitely do that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.